Hello, students. Today we will learn a new story from your syllabus, that is a gift of chappals. A smiling Rukumani threw open the door. Ravi and Meena rushed out, and Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. Wait, let me take off my slippers, protested Mridu. She sent them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. Those were grey, actually, with dust. You could see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slippers. The marks for the two big toes were long and scrawny. Mridu didn't have much time to wonder about whose slippers they were, because Ravi dragged her to the backyard. Behind a thick bitterberry bush, there inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand, lay a very small kitten, lapping up milk from a coconut half shell. Okay, the story starts like this, that Mridu is a young girl, and Ravi, one of his cousin, when Mridu went to their house, Ravi dragged him to show something to her. Okay, this is the story. We found him outside the gate this morning. He was mewing and mewing. Poor things, said Meena. It's a secret. Amma says Party will leave for our Paddu Mama's house if she knows we have a cat. Okay, so the story grows like this. Mridu went to their house, Ravi's house, and they showed her a kitten that was also there behind a thick bush, berry bush, and also it is a secret. They Meena and Ravi are brothers and sisters, and Mridu is also their cousin. So they told her that Pati is actually grandmother in Tamil. Grandmothers are called as Pati, and she will be angry if she came to know about this kitten. So this is a secret, and they have it very secretly. People are always telling us to be kind to animals, but when we are, they scream. Oh, don't bring that dirty creature here, said Ravi. Do you know how hard it is just to get a little milk from the kitten? Pati saw me with a glass in my hand just now. I told her I am very hungry. I want to drink it. But the way she looked at me, I had to drink most of it to throw her off the scent. Then she wanted the tumbler back. Pati, I will wash it myself. Why should I put you to trouble? I told her. I had to run and pour the milk into this coconut shell and then run back and wash the tumbler and put it back before she got really suspicious. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendran. Okay, here in the first time they said that they had the kitten just front of their house. Okay, and it was mewing and mewing. Then they get it, and also there's a very good line, very interesting line, that people are always telling us to be kind to animals. We always says that be kind to the animal, do something good for the animal, but when the childs do it actually, we sometime we didn't support them. How? Like, there are so many people who don't like pets in their own house. Okay, but Ravi and Meena have them, and also their party didn't like a pet. So this was very difficult for Ravi to arrange a bowl of milk. He went to the kitchen and got the milk. When Party saw him, his grandmother, and he told lie that the milk was for him, and also he said that he will wash the glass. So he was hungry, he took the milk, just poured it into a coconut shell, and then he washed it. Okay, and also they said that the name of the kitten is Mahendran. Mahendran, this little kitty's name is Mahendran. Mridu was impressed. It was a real name, not just a cute kitty cat name. Okay, when Mridu came to know that the name is Mahendran, she was very excited and impressed too, because this is a kind of name of a people, not like a cute kitten. Actually, his full name is Mahendra Varma Pallava Poonai. MP Poonai for short, if you like. He's a fine breed of cat. Just look at his fur, like a lion's mane. And you know what the emblem of the ancient Pallava kings was? Don't you know? He looked expectantly at Mridu. Okay, after that he described the full name and the story of the name. What is the kitten's full name? That is Mahendra Varma Pallava Poonai, in short MP Poonai. Actually in South India, in between Tamils, the names are like this. Okay, so he also give a name to the kitten like that, like a real people. And also he says that look at the fur of the cat, it was very good to see. And also he explained about the Pallavas king, and he looked at Mridu and Mridu giggled. Okay, then think I'm joking. Well, just wait, I'll show you sometime. It's clear you don't know a thing about history. Haven't been to Mahabalipuram, have you? He said mysteriously. Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his Tatas, 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 etc. etc. Fact is, Mahendran here is descended from that very same ancient cat, a close relative. Scientifically speaking of, none other than the lion, the Pallava lion, emblem of the Pallava dynasty. Ravi went on, walking around the bitter berry bush, waving twig up and down, his eyes sparkling. This cat is a descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. And if I may just remind you, they worshipped cats in ancient Egypt. Okay, then Ravi explains the story behind his name, behind the name of the kitten, that when he went to Mahabalipuram, okay, he saw something. And also he said that the Pallavas things, that it was the Mahendran is also that ancient types of cat, and it was also ancient Egypt, and they worshipped cats in ancient Egypt. So he believed that, in his childish mind, he believed that this cat is also from that dimension, so he gave that name to the kitten. How he loved the sound of his own voice. Meena and Mridu exchanged looks. What does that have to do with anything? Mridu demanded. I'm telling you, this cat is descended from the Egyptian cat god. No, goddess. Bastard. Yeah, that's it. So, well, one of the descendants of that cat goddess was a stowaway in one of the Pallava ships, and his descendant was the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, whose descendant it. Ravi flourished his twig at Mahendran. MP Poonai here. Whoop eek, he shrieked, very pleased with himself. Here, whip eek is an expression, and Ravi is very pleased about his own description for the name of the kitten. because he believed that the kitten is a from an ancient dimension. Mahendran looked up, alarmed. He had just been sharpening his claws on the edge of the coconut shell. But worse than Ravi's awful whoop eek was a screech from the window. What a weird sound! If Mridu was startled, MP Punai was frightened out of his wits. Here, standing on end, he bounced up and scurried towards a bamboo tray of red chilies that had been set out to dry. Trying to hide beneath it, he tipped a few chilies over himself. Meow! He howled miserably. The screeching went on and on. What's that noise? Said Mridu. That's Lali learning to play the violin, granted Ravi. She'll never learn a thing. The music master just goes on playing like a train, whistling on and on, while Lali's all the time derailing, going completely off track. Okay, here just a small description about the name, okay, from all the thing. And Mahendran then looked it up. He was alarmed, and he was also shocked. Okay, Ravi just talked about the name to Meena and Mridu, and then there is a new character, that is Lali. Okay, she was just played the violin here, and for some time MP Punai here, our kitten, small kitten, she was also a she was also frightened from the thing. Okay, so this is the first part of the story. Just go through the